Oh, yeah. Fuck you, truck, but I love you. Holy shit, it is hot as fuck in here. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now I'm heading to the local O'Reilly's. My truck broke down again for the second time. I was driving yesterday normally, all of a sudden my freaking truck just like lost all its power and I swung forward and almost hit my head on my steering wheel. The reason for that, I gotta check engine and it says my throttle body is stuck. Luckily, like I said, I have homies that are master techs at Ford. Shout out to Enrique again, because I did shout him out last time. He didn't give me the part this time because that shit's expensive. So I found it on O'Reilly for around $120. So I'm gonna go pick it up right now and we're gonna go ahead and install it. Should be really simple. It's like 4 bolts. Once again, I'm really happy that it broke down at home instead of on the freeway or somewhere far, far away. I just barely came back from Lake Powell and my boat broke down there, so I'm sad, and then I came home and my truck is broken. Hopefully there's some easy fixes. The boat, I think it might be a sensor, but we're gonna go pick up the part, head home, and throw it on, because I'm sick of my vehicles not working properly. But if it needs replacing, then I gotta replace it. But yeah, we'll catch you at home. Just made it back home. Got the truck in the garage. All these trips are finally catching up to this truck, but some parts need replacing, you know? I need a ladder because my short ass is too short for this truck. But yeah, we got this new throttle body. Let's see if I can get it open for y'all. Check out the slides that never released because they were expensive to make. And we didn't think it was that comfortable, so that's why we never released this. And here is the new part. Damn, pretty beautiful. But yeah, it says this is stuck on that one that's in there. Let's go ahead and get it replaced. It's really simple, it's right there. There's 4 bolts, a plug, and then that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and change it. Hopefully a check engine turns off right after this. Since it is computerized, they recommend you unplugging the battery first before even trying to attempt to take it off. So that's what I'm gonna do first, is take off the battery. And I'm gonna clean that terminal also. There you have it. Pretty simple. Not as bad as I thought. There's the old one compared to the new one. Yeah, there's this clip thing right here. Why the hell do they make it like that? That just plugs into this part where you can just twist it on. I already broke it, so whatever. It said this was stuck. All this is like computerized in here, so that's why you take off the battery. But yeah, let's go ahead and put that back on and should be good to go. Yeah, they gave me a new gasket. So there's a gasket right here. Replace your gaskets when you can. It's just right here. That's the old gasket. Replace these when you can, anytime you get a chance. So And that one just slides back on. Just finished. New throttle body is in. It's probably the cleanest part of the engine bay right now. Old one. Now let's go ahead and turn on the truck. Hopefully the check engine turns off and it'll be a fixed vehicle. Oh shit. Please turn off. If this doesn't fix it, I am going to be so upset. I think it just needs to, you know what I'm talking about? When you open up the gas. Woo. Seems fast. Still showing that's on. I don't know if you have to like manually reset it or drive it for a while and then it turns off. I'm gonna just plug in my code reader real quick, see if anything else pops up. Always have these handy on you. It's the best thing ever when you're traveling. A lot like I do. See what the codes are. Throttle actuator. I should leave it on. I shouldn't erase it yet. I'm gonna call up the homie real quick, see what I gotta do, and then probably update you guys. Just got a text from the homie. He just said erase the code. Good thing I have that code reader so that way I can erase it and then it should be fine after that. I got work in like an hour, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work. Thanks for hanging out with me today in my broken truck. I don't know why we always gotta replace parts on the channel, but I'm glad it's replaced so that way it's fresh and I don't have to worry about it for another couple years. I mean, I got this truck back in like 2017, so I had it for almost about 4 years, and I've taken it on a shit ton of trips. Lake Powell, Flaming Gorge, you name it. Boating every other weekend with the homies. I'm glad I got that knocked out. One more thing to do is my boat, so we'll go ahead and get that fixed pretty soon here. We got a lot of parts this weekend, like I said in the last video, so if you guys stayed till this long, I'll let you know that we got a tranny for the EK and we're about to install it on Saturday. So somebody's gonna take over the videos on Saturday and then I'll hop in after work because I gotta work that day. Hopefully we can get it running because I'm super stoked on that. But other than that, thanks for watching and catch you on the next video.